Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today we'd like to talk about altcoins and what altcoins to buy now. Because yes, now with every single dip, we build the momentum. So sooner or later, with BTC dominance, we can see the reversal move on alts. So today I want to analyze the 5 altcoins. And of course, it's not financial advice. I just share with you the updates for tokens, which I analyze it before and market the zones. And funny moment, for many of that tokens, a lot of people laughing, so it's impossible to drop to my zone of interest, but here we are. We exactly in that zone of interest now, after the maybe 2 years. What I can't know the time. Does it mean I'm not making mistakes? Of course, I made a lot of mistakes because, we are all retail traders, and even if you mark your zone of interest, in your mind, you won't believe. So the token will drop to that zone of interest because it's too much, right? So who could predict? So the Manta could dump from $4 to 38 cents. So this is a zone, and this chart of Manta, you remember I shared it on the next day after listing, right? Because we use the initiation accumulation pump model, and you can use that model totally for free for all tokens on any exchange after listing when you have only one single daily candle close. Because everything what we see on the chart is just algorithm, and we get a condition what to do. If we drop here, what we will do. If we drop here, what we will do. So we take an action or not, and we can only control our risk. So here it is. This is a list. I posted this list last year. So performance of tokens listed on the Binance in 2024, right? So this is just a list what I would like to update, right? Because all of that tokens are already posted, right? So we will move now from token to token. So some of these tokens are already posted from the bottom. So I want to start here, and for today's video I choose the 5. So it's going to be the AI, XAI, Manta, Upter, and Pyth. So that's it. Let's start with AI. Guys, you remember this chart. Initiation accumulation pump model. All zones market. Take a look where we now. Take a look how the price respect the level, how the price reacts the level. So here, listing. It's a daily chart. Here, January 2024. Now February 2025. Imagine 1 year we trade in this initiation accumulation pump model. Here, we listed, drop it to 23 by FIB. Everybody's, when we start pumping, everybody's screaming, we go into the moon. I mark the zone of interest on this candle. Where are we now? Here, reaction. 1, rejection. 2, 3, 4. Rejection. Come back here again. So, of course, sometimes we react till pennies. Sometimes we react with the wicks. Not all the time we should, stop exactly at this area, because it's, for example, on the Binance. On other exchanges, going to be a little bit different levels because of listing price. All the time different on exchanges, and liquidity. Total different on exchanges. Sometimes we can see the bigger wicks because of lack of liquidity. I already explained it to you on some exchanges, like, I don't know, Gateway, for example, or Max. For some tokens, it's enough to put the $500 in one market order to push the price plus 2% up. So that's the point, guys. And if you get, for example, like, I don't know, 1K, you can, by yourself, you can push the price on that exchange with one single market order to the, I don't know, 10% up. So that's it. So we are now in the best zone to buy. One more time, guys, for new users, the condition of this strategy, invalidation of idea if we drop under listing price. So now we made updates, and all that time period, if you just wait, you can trade intraday, you can trade swing trades, but the main zone of interest here now. So this is the best, based on this model only. This is the best time to accumulate this token. So you could start accumulating here for limit orders. Your average price now could be like 32 cents. Targets were to fix profit. Here you should fix a profit, some profit, and leave some percent of tokens to new all-time high. So that's pretty simple. Here, for example, we Stop at 21, 600% pump. Fixed profit, leave some 50%, 30%, it's absolutely up to you. For fixation, profit at an all-time high. Pretty simple model, guys. Also, you can use the safety trade. For example, you buy now 24, 23 cents. After 100%, 47, you fix a profit. Fix a profit, I mean, withdraw initial deposit. So you fix a 50% of profit. Pretty simple. Then you absolutely don't care what will happen with that token. Absolutely zero risk. Zero. It's just a free tokens, free money from the air. Invalidation, it's a drop under 3 cents. What to do if the token invalidated? Yeah, all levels will be still the same, but you have to be ready to out earlier. For example, we dump to 1 cent 60. In this case, this zone will be just the miracle if we will hit that target. That's why you have to fix a profit earlier by gains, by percentage. So build the realistic price targets. So even compare from these current prices here. Let's say new all-time high. From these current prices, it's only 961%. Got it. From this price, like 7 cents, for example, is going to be 3,400. Big difference. Big difference by gains. So you have to understand the lower we drop, the less gains we can pump. So this is what about AI. Basically targets relevant, but what we can't know the timing, and we can't know how low we will drop. But now, if you will make a decision to buy at 24 cents, for example, it will be not a mistake. Of course, it can be a mistake at the end, but it's a logical entry. Logical. Tomorrow, any token can be delisted from the exchange. We can't know the future. Who could predict? So the Bybit will be hacked for 1.5 billion. Nobody. That's why, guys, we just work with possibilities. Right. Take a look with my customer Kasab. What's going on now with AI? Daily time frame. I'm interested in the weekly time frame. So here, this was like middle line. Middle line, I'm not like accumulate tokens when we trade in middle line. I like accumulate tokens when we trade like this one in a crazy accumulation zone. Here was distribution, drop, this is accumulation. So one more confirmation. Now we're in a better condition to accumulate this token than it was like months ago or a year ago. Now we have a logical reason to accumulate this token. So risk reward. Got it. So here, finally, after all this time period, a free zone, and here money outflow. This is a disbelief, and we are in a capitulation since the January this month. So we are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks in a row. We are in the capitulation zone, and with the money inflow, 1, 2, 3 weeks money inflow into that token is pretty good one. Take a look now, and the weekly time frame I use for investment. Intraday, for example, 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, you can adjust all of that set, up to your trading style. Trade on and take profit. Take a look that trade on. No signal to buy or sell, nothing. Weekly time frame here, sell, buy, bounce, recommendation close position, buy. All right, let's say here was last signal to sell. Last signal to sell, December 24. Drop, recommendation, close, all short position, signals to buy. Yes, after that, signals to buy, we drop a little bit lower. That's why we can see, we saw the 20% up candle, right? And now we drop a little bit lower. So we can see one more or continuation or one more drop and another signal to buy. But it's for, for swing trades daily. 12 hour time frame, here, buy, a lot of signals to buy. So step by step, the wells accumulate. Step by step. Take a look that take profit indicator here, weekly, no data, not enough data. Take profit daily, we trade under female value. So last time when we trade under female value, we bounced it at 217%. So if we will bounce to take profit, it's going to be, yes, 242. It means, once again, safety trade. If you made a decision, own decision to buy now, up to your own risk, for example, on the spot, 24 cent 13 at 100% profit, you should withdraw initial deposit, leave free tokens, or wait to the take profit line, withdraw initial deposit, move on with the free tokens. Pretty simple strategy. So guys, in educational purpose, I recommend you to find in free Telegram channel the video about the AI. Watch the video or any other tokens in this video or in this playlist, in these updates, which listed on a Binance, and take a look the first video after listening the analysis, so you understand the logic and compare with where we now, and you will understand how you can adjust that strategy also for your trading style, trading strategy, investment strategy in the future. So it's helped you a lot. Imagine the people who who skip it that videos, you know, here they bought, for example, here they be in profit 151, but now they in losses like 76%. In losses, and they waste a lot of time. So they waste, they freeze the money for 1 year. So that's the point, guys. But all targets relevant. Next one, XAI. This one. Absolutely the same model, guys. Absolutely the same chart. So nothing new. Last one was here. We sweep it that high and dump it. Dump it to the best zone to buy, even under. So based on this strategy, you could buy the token here at 10 cents. Can we drop under than 2 cents? Yes, of course. We always, guys, work with possibility. If somebody shill you, he get like a strategy with 100% win rates, it's a liar. Guys, we can't know what will happen next in the world. We can't know what will happen next with the Binance, with the KuCoin, with the OKX. Absolutely, we can't know. Maybe tomorrow, I don't know, some exchange will be hacked and they lost all money. Not 1.5 billion like Bybit. All money. We can't know. We can't know. That's why, guys, we work only with proper risk management and money management and a strategy. So the zones absolutely still the same. Once again, for example, if you made a decision to buy now, here 700%, this will be the first zone where we need to fix a profit. At least we have to sooner or later sweep the 43 cents. Test 27 block like resistance, fixation profit. Maybe we will see the all-time high. Take a look from these current prices. It can be around 1,800% gains, and it can be there, for example, like $2, let's say, and it can be the end of cycle for this token. Because this cycle, the people build a crazy expectations for altcoins with stupid, I don't know, stupid narrative, stupid idea about a super cycle. I don't know how and who shielded this idea about a super cycle and why. There's no reason about a super cycle. There's just a cycle, another cycle, nothing new, nothing special. So last cycle, for example, the H bar made only 2,000% gains during the altcoin season. Why now all other tokens should pump 5,000, 10,000, or 50,000? I don't know why. Why? Just ask yourself why. There is no reason. That's why, guys, 2,000% gains for altcoins, it's just an amazing result. Just an amazing result. The problem only with the size of your deposit. That's why maybe for you, it sounds like not a big deal. When you invest $100, and get return like 2,000% gains, it's not a big deal. But when you invest 10K or 20K or 50K, it's a crazy money. It's a crazy money from virtual internet assets. That's it, guys. So targets relevant. If you accumulated 31, 24, 14, 10, your average entry could be around, let's say 17. So at around 46, you could withdraw initial deposit, leave free tokens. Pretty simple. How long we can trade in the accumulation zone, guys? Even 2 years, 2-3 years. It's absolutely doesn't matter. Unfortunately, guys, for market makers, for the big players, they absolutely don't care about the time. You can open the chart of hash flow. Hash flow, HFT, is a great example. So we trade just a long-term period in accumulation zone. Take a look, weekly time frame, XAI with, and it's kind of weird, right? So the chart's absolutely weird. So what's the point of this brand new utility tokens if they perform like this one? I don't know. So it looks like, for me, it looks like money laundry, right? ADZ direction market mood. This is capitulation. A lot of tokens, I guess only Pyth will looks a little bit different, and but all others looks absolutely identical. So here, absolutely the same model, just what I showed you on AI. This was a middle line, middle zone. We at the bottom on direction, but without a signal to buy. This zone of accumulation. We're capitulation zone on market mode. Pretty good one. So at least now, it's much better time for accumulation. Money inflow, money inflow, money inflow. So it's a good one. So here was money outflow. So now it's not a right time to out of the token. Now it's right time to accumulate token. Trade on weekly, no data, daily time frame. So step by step, yes, wells accumulate. But it's for for swing trades. So this was a sell fixation step by step. Take profit on a weekly, no data because not enough time. Same story, we trade on the fundamental value. So take profit line now, it's 28 cents 53, exit line 31.96, and we can move higher. Now we try hold the line. Here we tested fundamental value of the token. Now we try hold the line and move to the buy line. It's 9 cents 41, take profits 18.76, 21.16, it's exit line. So if you're scared enough, if you're not sure here, after this move, you can withdraw initial deposit, correction, and go higher. We start build another structure. So guys, all targets, Manta is a great example how the crowd all the time laughing on other opinion. If somebody share you the, I'm not me like bearish opinion. It's just analysis, just another vision of the market. And I million times shared the people so the Manta can drop to the best zone to buy. It sounds even weird. I totally agree. How it even possible to drop from $4.10 to 35 cents if the Manta is a great fundamental project? It even sounds weird, right? Sounds silly at that moment. But who cares? So market absolutely doesn't care what we think about the project. So for me, and you see on the charts, it's just example. So all that tokens, it's just a pure speculation with fundamental or without fundamental. So unfortunately, guys, what we can do with this fact? We can just trade. We can just trade and not fall in love in tokens. Just trade, and at the end, the main goal should be like just a USD or fiat money at the end. That's it, guys. Now we're in the best zone to buy. Does it mean I will buy the Manta? No. I already explained it to you. This channel totally different, and I don't have unlimited budget. I'm not buying every single token, even if we're in the best zone to buy. I don't have unlimited budget to buy every single dip, guys. All my tokens for investment portfolio I already bought. So everything okay with my portfolio. Yes, I'm in losses. I'm not using now DCA. I'm not trying to save that spot portfolio. No. So last two tokens, what I purchased, it was the alt layer and Dimension. Dimension was in the best zone to buy, and we dump it lower. What I can do with this? Facts. Nothing. I can do nothing with this one. That's why I'm wait just time when I will or out at break even, or wait at the time when I will fix the profit. So I can't control the time, but I can control my risk management. That's why if I format my investment portfolio, I'm not gamble with other money what I get for the trades. For the trades, I speculate intraday because I need the money from trading. So we're in the best zone to buy. Weekly time frame, all zones relevant. I believe Manta can hit the new all-time high. So it's nothing special. Here, finally, we're in the best zone to buy. I mean, in the best zone to buy, in ADZ and accumulation at the bottom. So data absolutely identical like other tokens. So finally now, all free again. Now we're in capitulation, disbelief. Nobody care about Manta. Here, finally, this beginning of February 10, we saw the money inflow into Manta. Pretty good one. Trade on, take profit. No data on trade on, but daily, I guess you understand what you will see. So here it was last signal to sell. Every single time, guys, I repeat, every single time, even I, when I see, for example, the move like this one, here the buy, pump, 38 level by fee, but signals to sell, I think no, it's just a local correction. We will just drop here and start moving higher. And after that, we drop to the buy line. To the buy line, I mean, and to the best zone to buy, even lower. So here you think, oh, it just will be local correction like 35%, and we keep the structure. No, markets think a little bit different, right? So 76% down. So imagine, here it was logical swing trades. Buy here in August, sell here, step by step, and dump. And take profit, of course, it's the same story. So guys, I will not repeat the same explanation. So here I will just mark the price. $1, it's take profit on a daily exit line, $1.14, 12 time frame. We try and hold the line, buy line, take profit 69 cents, exit line 78. Pretty good one. Next one, Upter, same model, but Upter hold a little bit, not a little bit, but much better. Yes, let's say much better than other tokens. So imagine the Manta is here, XAI and AI is here, Upter at 0 level. So for me, Upter, I don't know what should happen with the Upter, so we will drop to the zone of interest 34 cents, but it's possible. So guys, never say never. I hope it will never happen, because the Upter team works pretty good one. That's why we get a like impulse, and this is a triangle. Like we build a momentum triangle and should go higher. So technically we should go higher. So we grab all liquidity of, let's say we grab a liquidity or not. Because if not, it means we can drop lower. We not grab liquidity. So it's kind of bad. It's kind of bad, because if we leave if we leave the AQ lows, you remember I made a video about AQ lows. If this is AQ lows, sooner or later we're gonna sweep it. Of course, will be much better to sweep it now and go higher from these current prices, because if not, it will be just, I don't know, something like this. Unfortunately, guys. So just keep in mind, sooner or later these AQ lows will be swept. It means most likely one day we will drop now or later under 63 cents. So just in case, if you start accumulate now, because zone of interest for Upter is 34 cents, 27, 16, and 11. Got it. Take a look with my customer set. What's going on now with Upter? I made a video about Upter recently. So here, I don't like the situation on ADZ here. You just saw that 3 example before, and here, this is ADZ. We're not in accumulation zone. It's kind of scary, right? So let's be real. Money power, we at the bottom without money inflow. Market mood, we're in capitulation. All right, it's good. So some factors good one, some factors not so good one. So I skip the Upter. I skip it. Trade on, take profit. Trade on, no data. Take profit, we just tested the buy line. Almost tested the buy line. So it means the buy line now for Upter, it's a sweep of that liquidity pool, AQ low 62.72. Fundamental value of the stock in 46.64. Take profit, it's $1.2426. Exit line, $1.40. Got it. 12 time frame. Buy line, it's 59.10. Fundamental value 44.22. Exit line, take profit line, $1.17. Exit line, $1.32. So all targets you know. Pretty good one. It was signal to sell. Here's a buyback. No new signal to buy. Unfortunately, guys, last trading period, it's a Pyth. So take a look on the Binance. It looks totally different because we analyze all the time the oldest chart, trying to find the oldest chart, or the token listed the same day on all exchanges. But the Binance listed the Pyth in zone 24, right? But Pyth listed on a KuCoin, and we used that chart from November to zone 24. And imagine, once again, to all of that skeptics who think, oh, you draw the random lines. It's not random lines, guys, because take a look. We use the same model, right? And imagine, we listed, dropped to 23 level by FIB in January, zone 24. So listing in November, zone 23, listing on a KuCoin, drop in January, zone 24 to 23 level by FIB, 23 cents 63, and going higher. Everybody, like usual, start screaming, we're going to the moon, and not fix the profit. Not fix the profit after 400%. After that, we got a listing on a Binance, and everybody's screaming, once again, we're going to the moon because it's a Binance. We should go to the moon. You're too late, ha ha ha, and all of that stupid jokes about the crypto. And here it is, in June 24, we come back and test still penny, the logical algorithmic level 23, bounce, consolidate, here test 27 level like support, bounce, and after 1.5 years, we come back to the zone of interest, the first zone of interest. So imagine the zone of interest still the same. And here, only in February 25, we tested that zone. So sometimes, yes, it's annoying because our brain wants belief we will drop to the zone of interest. How it even possible, and why we should drop from $1.17? We listed in the Binance. Why we should drop to 17 cents 54? Why? It's unreal. It's impossible. But here he is. Here we are. That's why, guys, it's difficult. It's really difficult. We can't control the time. But zones absolutely still the same. Invalidation, you know. So Pyth, the zone of interest 1762, 1481, 1093, 923. Buy now or not, up to you. Up to your plan. So here, if you add limit order to here, go to sleep, you could fix the profit 50%. So, guys, what you should do with this token, it's only up to you. ADZ direction market mood. Here is the accumulation. So step by step, yes, so the whales, the market makers accumulate this token. The worst case scenario, we can drop to the best zone to buy. I hope you understand, so don't need to write it in comments. We will never drop to 10 cents, everything possible. And we can form a divergence on ADZ. We almost at the bottom on direction, so it's good one. Market mood is capitulation. Also pretty good one. Money power, finally, 2 weeks in a row, money inflow. So technically, it's like 21 cents and 18 cents. So I guess it's comfortable price for the whales. And here, trade on, take profit. Here was signal to sell, buy back, bounce, buy back, bounce, buy back, bounce. So something like this one, and take profit on the daily. I guess you understand where we now. The same story. So here, fundamental value of this token is 1674, buy line 2253, take profit 44.34 on the daily. Here, the buy line, what we can test again, it's 1721 on 12 time frame. Fundamental value of this token on the 12 time frame, it's 12.76. Take profit, it's 34 cents, and 38.45, it's exit line. So guys, all targets I showed you till penny current targets, because all targets dynamic, right? All lines are dynamic, the data of dynamic. So I highly recommend you use this set and track by yourself your favorite tokens. In next video, I will choose another 5 tokens for analysis. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what is your realistic price target for all of these 5 tokens. And if you want to trade with my customer cassette, you can write me DM. Link will be up in the description below. Subscribe chain, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.